Welcome back to Throttle Tribe. When it comes to motorcycles, no one knows them better than the people who fix them. That's why today we're counting down 7 bikes that mechanics themselves recommend. These are the machines known for reliability, easy maintenance, and long-term value. The kind of bikes that won't let you down on the road. Let's dive in and see which ones made the list. Number 7, the Honda CB500X. This bike is one of those models that mechanics almost always recommend, and for good reason. Honda has a long-standing reputation for building machines that are reliable and easy to live with, and the CB500X is no exception. The heart of this bike is a 471cc parallel twin engine, smooth, fuel-efficient, and proven over many years of service. Mechanics love it because it doesn't demand constant attention. Keep up with the basics like oil changes and chain care, and it will reward you with thousands of worry-free miles. What makes the CB500X stand out is its versatility. It's comfortable enough for daily commuting, light enough for new riders to manage, and capable enough for longer weekend trips. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and forgiving suspension make it a friendly bike in almost any situation. Price-wise, you're usually looking at around $7,300, which is fair value considering how much dependability and practicality you get in return. Mechanics also point out that parts are easy to source, servicing is straightforward, and the bike rarely suffers from major issues. Now, it's not a high-performance machine. If you're expecting superbike speed or hardcore adventure capability, this isn't it, but that's not the point here. The CB500X is about being a motorcycle you can trust, one that keeps you riding instead of waiting at the workshop. And that's exactly why so many mechanics recommend the Honda CB500X. Number 6, the Suzuki SV650. This bike has been called the do-it-all motorcycle for good reason, and mechanics agree. For more than 20 years, the SV650 has built a reputation as one of the most reliable and straightforward bikes you can own. At its core is a 645cc twin engine, smooth, dependable, and surprisingly fun. Mechanics often recommend it because it's easy to service, the parts are widely available, and the motor itself is nearly bulletproof if you keep up with basic maintenance. Many owners ride their SV650 for well over 50,000 LME without major issues, and that kind of track record earns respect from every workshop. On the road, the SV650 is versatile. It's sporty enough for weekend rides, stable enough for commuting, and comfortable enough for longer trips. Riders appreciate its predictable handling and neutral riding position, which makes it friendly even for those stepping up from smaller bikes. As for price, a brand new SV650 usually sits around $8,000, making it affordable compared to many mid-size options with similar performance. Mechanics point out that the value is hard to beat. You're getting a proven platform that's fun, practical, and built to last. Of course, it's not the lightest bike in this category, and brand new riders might find it a little intimidating at first, but overall, the SV650 is one of those rare motorcycles that truly balances performance, reliability, and cost. Exactly why mechanics recommend it so often. Number 5, the Yamaha MT-07. If there's one modern middleweight that mechanics almost universally respect, it's the MT-07. This bike has earned a reputation for being simple, reliable, and a whole lot of fun to ride. Powering it is a 689cc parallel twin engine, famous for its strong, low, and mid-range torque. Mechanics recommend it because it's not overly complicated. No excessive electronics, no fussy parts, just a solid motor that delivers dependable performance year after year. Many shops note that the MT-07 rarely comes in for serious issues, which is always a sign of good engineering. On the rider side, the MT-07 strikes a near-perfect balance. It's light, nimble, and easy to control, making it just as friendly for city commuting as it is for weekend rides. At the same time, it has enough power to keep experienced riders entertained, which is why it appeals to such a wide audience. When it comes to cost, a new MT-07 is usually priced around $8,500. Mechanics often highlight the value here. You're getting a bike with proven reliability, strong resale value, and maintenance that's straightforward compared to more high-tech models. Of course, it's not without flaws. The stock suspension can feel a little basic on rough roads, and long-distance comfort isn't its strongest suit. But overall, the MT-07 is one of the most trusted middleweight motorcycles out there, and that's exactly why mechanics recommend it so often. Number 4, the Triumph Speed Twin 900, formerly known as the Street Twin. This bike has become one of Triumph's most respected modern classics, and mechanics often recommend it for its solid engineering and long-term reliability. At its core is a 900cc parallel twin engine, tuned for smooth, usable power rather than outright speed. Mechanics appreciate it because it's a tried and tested motor, easy to service, durable, and built with quality components. Unlike some higher performance machines, the Speed Twin 900 doesn't push its parts to the limit, which means fewer mechanical headaches down the line. From a rider's perspective, the bike blends classic style with modern usability. It's got a low seat height of around 30.7 inches, which makes it comfortable and confidence-inspiring, especially for shorter or senior riders. The ride itself is calm, stable, and engaging without being overwhelming. Exactly what many mechanics say makes it a safe recommendation. In terms of cost, new models typically start around $10,000. While it's not the cheapest on this list, mechanics highlight the fact that it holds its value well and doesn't demand constant maintenance, which saves money in the long run. Now, it's true that Triumph servicing can be more expensive than that of Japanese brands, and some riders might find it heavier than entry-level bikes. But overall, the Speed Twin 900 strikes that rare balance between timeless looks, dependable mechanics, and everyday usability. That's why it's a motorcycle mechanics are confident putting their name behind. Number 3, the Kawasaki Vulcan S. This cruiser has earned plenty of respect in workshops because it combines Kawasaki's reliability with a rider-friendly design. Mechanics often recommend the Vulcan S for one simple reason: it's a cruiser that doesn't overcomplicate things. Under the tank, you'll find a 649cc parallel twin engine, the same proven motor used in other Kawasaki middleweights. It's smooth, fuel-efficient, and easy to maintain, which means fewer headaches for both riders and mechanics. Many shops note that this engine can run for years with only basic care, and parts are widely available if you ever need them. From a rider's perspective, the Vulcan S is all about comfort and accessibility. With a low seat height of around 27.7 inches, relaxed ergonomics, and Kawasaki's unique ErgoFit system, it's one of the few cruisers that can be tailored to fit different rider heights and builds. Mechanics often point this out as a big plus, because a properly fitted bike puts less strain on both the rider and the machine. Price-wise, it typically sits around $7,900, which makes it competitive in the mid-size cruiser class. Compared to larger, heavier cruisers, the Vulcan S offers easier handling and lower maintenance costs, factors that mechanics highlight as key reasons it's a smart buy. Of course, it's not the flashiest cruiser out there, and riders chasing high-end chrome or that big twin rumble might look elsewhere. But if you're after a dependable, comfortable cruiser that's easy to own, the Kawasaki Vulcan S is exactly the kind of motorcycle mechanics are happy to recommend. Number 2, the Royal Enfield Classic 350. This bike has become one of the most popular choices in recent years, and interestingly, mechanics often recommend it too, though for slightly different reasons. Unlike high-tech motorcycles packed with electronics and complicated systems, the Classic 350 keeps things refreshingly simple. At the heart of the bike is a 349cc single-cylinder engine, air and oil-cooled, easy to maintain, and designed more for steady reliability than high performance. Mechanics point out that this kind of engine is straightforward to service, with affordable parts and minimal risk of complex failures. In many ways, it's the kind of motorcycle that rewards basic care and keeps running year after year. From the rider's side, the Classic 350 is all about comfort and style. With a low seat height of around 31.7 inches, a relaxed, upright posture, and that smooth, thumping ride, it feels both approachable and nostalgic. Mechanics note that this easygoing nature means less stress on both the rider and the machine, which is part of why the Classic has such loyal fans. In terms of cost, you're usually looking at around $4,500, making it one of the most affordable options on this list. Mechanics often highlight this value. Not only is the purchase price low, but maintenance costs stay manageable too. Of course, it does have its limits. The Classic 350 isn't built for high-speed highways, and performance riders may find it underpowered, but for city riding, weekend cruising, and relaxed commutes, it's exactly the kind of dependable machine that mechanics are happy to recommend. And that's why the Royal Enfield Classic 350 has earned its spot here. Simple, affordable, and easy to keep on the road. Number 1, the Honda Rebel 500. Few bikes are as widely recommended by mechanics as the Rebel 500, and the reason is simple. It's one of the most dependable and easy-to-own motorcycles in its class. At the heart of the Rebel is a 471cc parallel twin engine, the same proven motor found in other Honda midsize models. Mechanics appreciate this engine because it's smooth, fuel-efficient, and incredibly durable. It doesn't have a reputation for major issues, and when service is required, it's straightforward to work on. With plenty of readily available parts, from a rider's point of view, the Rebel 500 is built for comfort and confidence. With a low seat height of around 27.2 inches, it's approachable for riders of all sizes. Especially welcoming for beginners or those returning to motorcycles after a long break. The relaxed ergonomics and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver in the city while remaining stable enough for highway cruising. Price-wise, the Rebel 500 typically costs around $6,500, making it affordable while still offering the kind of long-term reliability that keeps maintenance costs low. Mechanics often highlight this combination of low purchase price and low upkeep as a major reason why they recommend it. Of course, the Rebel isn't a high-performance machine. It's not built for extreme speed or long-distance touring, but that's not its purpose. What it offers instead is simplicity, dependability, and confidence. The qualities mechanics value most in a motorcycle, and that's why the Honda Rebel 500 earns the top spot here. It's a motorcycle that both riders and mechanics can trust. These are the 7 motorcycles that mechanics personally recommend to riders. Did we miss a bike that deserves a spot on the list? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more motorcycle content, and as always, ride safe. See you in the next one.